Hey baddies, so get ready with me for a dinner date because my hair is clearly not done. Let's go ahead and unbox her and see what she's giving. Okay, now get into this color, y'all. It's definitely giving me that mysterious vibe, and I definitely gotta come off mysterious on the first date. Hello. She also does come with that comb at the bottom, a silicone base, 2 clips on the sides, and that adjustable band for that grip, okay? Let's go ahead and put her on, girl, because I gotta go. He's on the way. Girlfriend, because that's what I'm about to be, honey. I'm about to be somebody's girlfriend. It definitely looks like it's coming straight out of my scalp. Let's go ahead and lay those stickies down. Lift, peel, and lay. You're gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. Peel and lay. For the outfit change, and just like that, I'm ready to serve looks tonight, honey. This hair is so sleek. And yes, hunty, she is still 100% glueless. Let me know what y'all think. I gotta go get my man. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.